4 years ago, in fact about now 5 years ago, 2015, Karachi went through a very bad, first recognized heat wave basically. And a lot of people died because of that, and it was a very shocking time for actually most of the city, that how can a city which is generally very, very hot, people die of heat, you know, it doesn't make any sense. And obviously it was figured out, obviously it was heat island effect, and becomes extremely hot in the places where it is built up area. And what saves you from that is basically green cover or a green foliage that absorbs that heat much better and keeps the temperature down. So everybody was looking for solutions. I saw something which is a solution on the internet, that there is a thing called Miyawaki method, which helps you create a natural forest in any piece of land, be it a city or outside city or actually any geography of the world, using only the native species. And it is a very densely planted technique, which allows you to develop a forest in 3 years' time. And you start seeing all kinds of fauna appearing in it, the birds and the butterflies and the bees. Brought back or understood that you can have forests within your living spaces, and the benefits are phenomenal. I mean, imagine you living around 40,000 trees in the middle of your concrete jungle. 40,000 trees producing oxygen for you, filtering the air around you constantly, a place where you can go which is always cooler than your own neighborhood. So the benefits are innumerable. We brought in a lot of sustainable techniques into the Spark to showcase this as a model park. And we didn't know that we'd be successful, but luckily so far, I mean, we have gone over about 25,000 plants into this space, and we recycle our own sewage water to feed this forest, so there's no freshwater pressure on it. So that's the beauty of this technique, that you create forest patches all around you and they grow on their own, and you move on to the other spaces and other spaces, and all of this green space around you remains here and continues to grow into a much larger space. It will bring a sea change in our moods if you have more green spaces around us. Creating plants or planting native species all around our houses, in front of our houses, on the rooftops, creepers on the walls, so that we can really bring the temperature of the city down, clean the air that we breathe, and in hopefully 5 years we will have a different city.